Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from ATWP WordPress hosting. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your WordPress website security issues. Or even if you install your WordPress website for the first time, you don't need to install any WordPress security plugins. If you have migrated your WordPress website from any other hosting provider to ATWP, again I'm telling you that I'm going to make you sure that you don't need any security plugin in ATWP WordPress hosting. The only thing you need to do is just what I'm going to show you right now in this video. You can see your WordPress websites. Like I told you before, you can scan your WordPress website that you have migrated here manually, and it would be connected to our WordPress toolkit, or maybe you have installed WordPress in our WordPress toolkit like I told you in other videos. Whatever you choose, you have the option to fix your security issues over here. You just need to click on Fix Security and you will see lots of things according to WordPress security suggestions will be showing to you, and you can select all of them and just click on Secure. No need to understand the deep contents of these items, and the only thing you need to make sure is that your status will be okay and all of these are going to be secure. Whenever one of those things are going to be not secure, this here in this part you will see an item, an orange warning icon that's showing you need to secure it. But right now there's no need to do anything and your WordPress website would be secure forever. That's it, and you can see our other videos in ATWP YouTube channel. And thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.